Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any picture. So sometime we need to have blank background picture. Yes. So in this case, it will help you to make professional YouTube thumbnail. So we will visit one website and the website name is remove.pg. Yes. So you can do these things for free, but I think for limited time. So we will go to upload image. It's very simple. You need to have one picture and you need to upload image. Okay. So I have already done these things. So I will select this image with a background and open it. Okay, so we got the image as well as the blank background image. So just go ahead and download it and you will see on desktop. So check this image. Okay, so we have removed the background successfully. Now in the upcoming lesson I will show you how you can make thumbnail like this. Okay, so for now, bye bye, meet you in the next lesson.